Oh, sorry, I got distracted. I was playing Pokemon Go. Let me get back to the lesson. Welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend against a looping punch. So watch this clip from Pokemon, and I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out. Yeah. Welcome back. So did you see how Tornadus threw that looping punch, right? Well, he did a looping and then a swirl and did a tornado. We're not going to do all that, but he's going to throw a looping punch. Bob is here. So Bob throws that looping punch. We're going to have to do an out block here. If we do out, we're going to miss it. So we got to go up and out here, a large windmill out block. So we're going to block. At the same time, we're going to rake the eyes. So go ahead and step with it, because if it's a lot of power this way, we're going to come here. And I'm going to have to go over this arm here, but we're going to block, and at the same time, we're just going to rake the face. So block, rake. From here, hit the solar plexus, left hook, right uppercut, and from here, we're going to do a push kick. Block, rake, solar plexus, chin, uppercut, push kick. Again, so do it with me as we step and we block, rake, come back, punch, hook, uppercut, push. For technique number 2, let's say we got hit with that punch, right? It came up, came across, hit us, boom, here, we're hurt. From here, we're just going to turn, we're going to step back into them, rake the eyes there. From there, punch, hook, uppercut, push. Again, boom. Aye. Ah. Uppercut. For technique number 3, we're going to be the aggressor. So he doesn't know that we're going to strike. So we don't want to telegraph and come here and rake. We're just go ahead and do a jab, maybe a thumb to the eye. Here. Hook, uppercut, push. Again. Strike the eye. Finish with a push kick. Okay, so for technique number 1 on the bag, block as we rake, punch the solar plexus, hook, uppercut, push. So we've been struck from here, rake, punch, hook, uppercut, push. From the other side. For number 3, remember, we're going to be the aggressor, so we're going to strike first. So instead of coming around, go straight out, thumb into the eye. Here, solar plexus, hook, uppercut, push kick. Last time, here. That's it for today's lesson. Go hit that like and subscribe. Go try it, and I'll meet you back here next time to go over more self-defense techniques.